Hi viewers, welcome to another video. Next train we see in a minute should be the Northern Railway train going to Sheffield. Normally they go to Leeds, but this one going to Sheffield. It's a bit damp today, a bit chilly. February the 4th, I believe, 2026, yeah. That way goes to Liverpool and northbound. Way behind me goes southbound. So we wait for this train to come along, get a picture of it. I was hoping for a freight train, but it's not come. Here comes the train to Sheffield. Yep, here it comes. Two carriages, Northern Railway train. Now normally they go to Leeds. They're only going to Sheffield today. It's a 195 013. We saw that one the other day actually, same one. Number 13, yeah. So this one here, 195013, must be a regular one to Sheffield, then back to Nottingham, then from Nottingham back to Sheffield.
Platform 1 for the 1447 Northern Service to Sheffield, calling at Chesterfield, Drunfield and Sheffield.
There you go, what did I say? Sheffield, yep. I'm just waiting for delivery of some key rings and bottle openers for you lot. They've not come yet. I'll let you know when they come. I'm where I hide them every video we make. Unless you're a lucky person, as you find you come down to where we're filming, you can pick up the key ring and bottle opener, can't you? No, yeah. He's watching the clock, isn't he? The conductor. Here he goes. Watching the clock. Yeah, is it time to go yet? I think they're going now, is he? And it's off. Next stop, Chesterfield. think next stop for me might be home actually. Catch you all soon.